Hello, this is the last module of transistor audio power amplifier. In this module, we will discuss about the heat dissipation of power amplifiers and about the heat sinks that we use for heat dissipation in audio power amplifiers. So all this will be discussed in this module. So let's start the topic. So the main purpose of power amplifier is to raise the power level of the signal. The main purpose of the power amplifier is to raise the power level of the signal and to deliver large power to the load. The current that flow through the amplifying device, for example transistor, will may be in the range of amperes. The large flow of current will cause heat dissipation at the collector junction. So the ability of a transistor to dissipate heat into the environment is measured in terms of power dissipation. So for power dissipation, basically heat sinks are used, and power dissipation depends upon size of the transistor, second how transistors are mounted, and third what is the temperature of surrounding air. So on these parameters your heat dissipation depends. So heat sinks are used in the power amplifiers. They act as exchanger that transfers the heat generated by electronic device, for example transistor or some mechanical device, to the surrounding environment for the regulating or controlling the device temperature. So heat sinks are basically also used in the computer systems or CPUs. So in case of high power semiconductor devices, as we use their power transistor or optoelectronic devices, so heat dissipation ability for heat dissipation heat sinks are used. So now we will discuss about thermal runaway. As due to large current, the temperature of the device is increasing. So if this temperature keep on increasing, it may burn the device. So that condition is called thermal runaway. So in case of power transistor, if the temperature of collector to base junction increases due to increase in temperature, then the collector leakage current will also increase. If the collector current leakage current is increased, due to this the collector current also increases, and it will produce increase in power dissipation at the collector junction. So that will further increase the junction temperature. Again the collector current will increase and leakage current will increase. Similarly this process will keep on repeating, and due to increase in current further, there may be a situation that this temperature destroys the transistor or burns the transistor. This condition is known as thermal runaway. Thermal runaway can be handled by using heat sinks. Heat sinks are large metal pieces. Basically they are large metal pieces on that transistors are mounted. So when the junction temperature increases, that temperature passes to the heat sinks, and through heat sinks that dissipates into air. So ultimately the temperature of the junction will not keep on increasing. That may prevent the junction may prevent the device from the burning. So heat sinks this is basically in case of suppose class B amplifier. Transistor generates loads of heat because both transistor works in active region. So heat can be removed to improve this situation. So for heat dissipation, three methods are used. One is conduction. Conduction means when heat flows by physical contact from transistor metal body to the heat sinks. When a transistor is mounted on a heat sink, it is transistor is in contact with the heat sink, and this type of heat transfer is called conduction. And second method is convection. In this case heat sinks have multiple fins fins means they have multiple parts, so that will increase the surface area. So in this case, some fan may also be used when the heat sinks have with the fins, temperature will increase, then due to then due to then due to flow of air, the temperature of the sink will dissipate. So this is called forced cooling, or this is a method of convection. And the another method is radiation. In this case, black surface is used. So we get heat. Black body absorbs heat, and when heated it radiates heat also. So heat sinks is ionized by the black paint. In this case, the heat is dissipated. So this here we can see different types of fins, means different type of instead of using a single part of the heat sink, fins are used, means different parts are used. Through this, the surface area will increase and the heat dissipation effect will work properly.